Hello, students. A very good morning to all of you. How are you all? I hope you all are in good health and taking great care of yourself. Welcome back to our English grammar class. In the previous class, students, we started chapter number 27. That is a comprehension from your English grammar textbook, right? That is Collins English Grammar. So, students, I request you all to open your textbook, page number 110. In the previous class, I already explained you the story about Jane and the three bears, right? Jane is a girl who loves the story of Goldilocks and the three bears, and she imagines that she actually meets those bears in the woods, right? And that is the story over here, that the girl went into the woods looking for those bears, and she actually did meet those bears, right? Mama bear, Papa bear, and the baby bear. And she also came to know that Goldilocks did enter their house, and she broke the chair and she broke the bowl, and she also slept over the bed of baby bear, right? And she was quite welcomed over there by the mama bear and papa bear, but the small one, the baby bear, was not at all happy to see Jane, because he felt that Jane would also do the same thing just like Goldilocks, right? She may ask baby bear to give her stuff, right? So that's why the baby bear did not like Jane. And after some time, Jane also felt very lonely, and she decided that she should go back to her home. So Mr. Bear didn't know the way, and so he asked the wolf, right? He asked the Red Riding Hood's wolf to drop her out of the forest, right? So I hope that you remember the story. Now we are going to see the exercise. So let's see that. Okay, let's see the correct answer. First one. Jane liked to go into the woods and dash. Jane liked to go into the woods and dash. Imagine Goldilocks talking to her. Imagine the bears talking to her. Or imagine that she was baby bear. So what do you think, students? What is the right answer over here? Yes, B is the right one, right? She was so much into that story that she imagined that the bears were actually talking to her, right? Let's see the second one. Jane went to the forest to dash. Look for Goldilocks, find the three bears, and look for a special tree. Jane went to the forest to find the three bears, right? Because she imagined that she was talking to the bears, and just to find out, she had to find those bears. Let's see the third one. Mr. Bear's house had dash. Mr. Bear's house had 3 windows, 3 doors, and 3 chimneys. Option number B, 1 door, 2 windows, and 1 chimney. Or C, 3 doors, 3 windows, and 1 chimney. Well, here the right option is A, right? Because the house had 3 doors for 3 bears, and 3 windows and 3 chimneys too, right? Everything was 3, and it was according to the sizes of the bear, right? Okay, now let's see the next one, students. Mr. Bear couldn't take Jane back home. Mr. Bear couldn't take Jane back home because he wanted her to stay with his family. He was too tired to walk, or it was too far away, and he did not know the way back. What do you think, students? Which is the right one? Well, Mr. Bear didn't know कि Jane कहाँ से आई है, right? So he did not know the way back out of the forest, right? and that's why he took the help of रेड राइडिंग हुड्स वुल्फ, है ना, वुल्फ की हेल्प ली उन्होंने ताकि जेन जो है उसे वो अपने घर तक पहुंचा सके. नाउ लेट्स सी फिफ्थ वन. ममा बेयर सेड दैट जेन कुड गो बैक ऑन हर ओन. रेड राइडिंग हुड्स वुल्फ कुड टेक द जेन बैक और पापा बेयर कुड टेक द जेन बैक. नाउ व्हाट वाज ममा बेयर सजेशन? किसने सजेशन दिया था फॉक्स का, सॉरी वुल्फ का? दैट वॉज रेड राइडिंग हुड्स वुल्फ वुड टेक जेन बैक. दैट वुड बी द राइट ऑप्शन. ओके स्टूडेंट्स. When it was time to go back home, Jane dash. When it was time to go back home, Jane ran away as she was scared of wolf, climbed on the wolf's back and set off, or asked the bears to let her stay with them. What do you think? What was the right answer? Well, B is the right one, because she wanted to go home, and when the bear said that you can go along with the wolf because it was trustworthy, right? So she just believed them and sat on the back of the wolf, and then she left, right? Now let's see question answer, students. Answer the question in few lines. What did Baby Bear do when he saw Jane? Well, as I told you in the beginning also, right students, that when the baby bear saw Jane, he was quite scared of her, right? Because she was just like Goldilocks, right? She was also a girl just like Goldilocks, and that's the reason she thought कि शायद जेन भी उसके साथ वही करेगी, है ना. इसीलिए जैसे ही उसने उसको देखा, he ran inside. He shrieked and then he ran inside. So let's see the answer. So here you can see, students, the story. It says that when Jane reached to the house along with Papa Bear, right? उस टाइम पर they stopped in the front of one of the doors and out ran the baby bear. When he saw Jane, he gave a little squeal and hurried back in. So this is your answer number 1, right? That when the baby bear saw Jane, he gave a little squeal and hurried back in. Now let's see second question. What did Jane see inside the bear's home? Right. What did Jane see inside the bear's home? क्या क्या चीज़ें देखी उसने? She saw that the house had one bowl, right? The bowl which was glued, है ना, जिसको stick किया गया था, because it might have been broken by the Goldilocks. Then one of the chair was broken और उसके एक leg को mend किया गया था. That means it was fixed, right? And we also saw that she also saw that the bed was also not proper, right? So let's see the answer. Well, here you can see the answer, students. As Jane stepped in, she saw the big chair that was too hard, the medium one that was too soft, and the little chair that Goldilocks had broken. It was mended with string. They showed her the great big bowl of very peppery soup, the medium-sized bowl of very salty soup, and Baby Bear's bowl mended with glue. He let Jane taste only a little because he was afraid he would take it all. So we can tick the answer till here, students. कि जैसे ही जेन अंदर गई उसने क्या देखा? 3 चेयर्स थी, एक बड़ी which was hard, medium which was soft and little one was broken. उसका जो एक पैर था वो टूटा हुआ था and it was bended. That means it was fixed with the string. and she also saw the three bowls, है ना. The big bowl was full of peppery soup, very peppery soup. The medium one was very salty, and baby bear's bowl जो था वो ग्लू से मेंड किया हुआ था, मतलब वो भी टूट गया था, इस वजह से उसको भी फिक्स किया गया था, राइट. So this is your answer number 2. Now let's see question number 3. What do you think happened after Jane went off with the wolf? Now your students, this is totally your imagination, right? You can just imagine what it could be because they haven't written anything about it in the book, है ना. सिर्फ हमें यहाँ तक मालूम है कि जो वुल्फ है वो उसको लेकर जाता है. Now we don't know whether that wolf was trustworthy or not. According to the bear, he might be trustworthy, but we don't know whether he took Jane safely out of the woods, whether Jane reached home safely, or was she lost in the woods, या फिर उसको कोई एनिमल ने खा लिया, might be. We don't know, right? We don't know about that. So it's totally your imagination. So this answer has to be written by you all. ठीक है, अकॉर्डिंग टू योर थिंकिंग यू कैन राइट द आंसर. आपको जो लगता है, अगर आपको लगता है कि वुल्फ अच्छा था, इफ़ इट वॉज अ गुड वुल्फ, इट वॉजंट द बैड वन, देन यू कैन कंसिडर दैट येस शी माइट हैव रीच्ड होम सेफली. और अगर आपको ऐसा लगता है कि द वुल्फ वॉज बैड, then there are the chances that the girl might have lost her life, right? She might have died, or she might have been eaten up by some other animals, right? क्योंकि अभी forest में थी तो wild animals तो थे ही, so we don't know what it could be. So you can write this answer by yourself. It's totally on you. ठीक है? Let's see exercise C. Match the words from the story with their meanings. The first one is medium. So here, what do you mean by medium? It's a size, right? Somewhere between large and small. So पहले के साथ कौन सा आंसर आएगा? Number 1 is matching with the C. Second one, squeal. Squeal, मैंने आपको समझाया था. What do you mean by squeal? Squeal means a long sharp cry or sound. That is F, right? A long sharp cry or sound. And that was done by the baby bear when he saw Jane. Let's see third one. That is mended. Okay, let's see the third one. Mended, that means repaired. Okay, mended means repaired, किसी चीज़ को रिपेयर करना या फिक्स करना. Fourth one, welcomed. Welcomed means I know you know the answer, right? Welcomed का मतलब होता है greeted someone in a friendly way when they arrived somewhere. Obviously, when somebody comes to your house, what do you do, right? We welcome them, है ना. हम क्या करते हैं? वेलकम करते हैं उनको अच्छे से, फ्रेंडली मैनर में, पोलाइटली, राइट. सो वेलकम्ड का मतलब वो होता है. पेपरी. पेपरी मीन्स जिसके अंदर पेपर का टेस्ट होता है, दैट मीन्स टेस्टिंग ऑफ पेपर, राइट. ब्लैक पेपर आपने देखा होगा, मम्मी यूज़ करती है खाने में, ठीक है. अगर नहीं पता हो तो मम्मी को पूछना, वो आपको बताएगी. लेट्स सी नेक्स्ट वन, fearfully. Fearfully means in a scared way. Fear means डर. Fearfully means in a scared way. किसी चीज़ से डर लगना, है ना. Okay. Now let's see next exercise. That is, rewrite these sentences from the story with the correct spelling. So here we have to write the correct spelling, right, from the story. यहाँ पे कुछ words दिए हैं जिसका spelling गलत है ना. मतलब उसके अंदर जो लेटर्स है उसका ऑर्डर सही नहीं है. सो वी नीड टू अरेंज देम प्रॉपरली. लेट्स सी द फर्स्ट वर्ड. वेल, इफ़ यू सी द वर्ड and pronounce it, what do you see? What do you pronounce? Well, that is furniture. So what could be the spelling of furniture? This one is wrong. So let's write it F-U-R-N-I-T-U-R-E. F-U-R-N-I-T-U-R-E. This is the right spelling of furniture. Okay. Let's see the second one. Delighted. The pronounce of this word, or you can say the pronunciation of this word, is delighted. But yes, the spelling over here is wrong. So let's just write it, the right one. This is the right one, delighted. D-E-L-I-G-H-T-E-D. Okay, delighted. Now let's see the third one. Okay, so third word over here is burst. Here the spelling would be bursted, that is B-U-R-S-T-E-D. Now here they have not written T, right? But the actual word in the story is bursted. Okay? Now let's see the next one, that is fourth one. What is the word? Well, from the pronunciation we can make it out that it is delicious, but the spelling over here is wrong. So just let's rectify it. D-E-L-I-C-I-O-U-S. Delicious. D-E-L-I-C-I-O-U-S. Okay, that is the right spelling of delicious. Let's see the fifth one. Fifth one, the pronunciation over here is naughty, but they have not added G and H. N-A-U-G-H-T-Y. Right? Although G and H are silent, but the spelling does have those two letters. So the right spelling of naughty is N-A-U-G-H-T-Y. Okay? Let's see the last word. What is the last word over here, students? It's chimneys. Right? The pronunciation is chimneys. But when you spell out chimneys, we don't write I-E-S. Right? Although it's the plural form of chimney, but we cannot change Y into I-E-S. We just have to add S over here. So the right spelling would be C-H-I-M-N-E-Y-S. ठीक है? Okay, so let's see exercise E, students. Fill in the blanks with the given pronouns. So there are some pronouns, students, given over here, right, in the box, and we need to find out which one suits in the blank. Now, students, I hope that you know what are pronouns, right? Pronouns are the words which are used in place of nouns. That means instead of repeating the same noun again and again, we can use another word for it, and that is called pronoun. As you know, students, that there are three persons, right? Three personal pronouns. Personal pronouns are not three, but yes, there are three persons. First person, second person, and third person. And for singular and plural, we use different pronouns. For the first person singular, we use I, and for plural, we use we. है ना? फर्स्ट पर्सन मतलब जो बोलता है वो, उसके लिए सिंगुलर में आई यूज़ करते हैं और प्लूरल में वी. सेकेंड पर्सन में दोनों के लिए यू ही यूज़ किया जाता है ना? क्योंकि सिंगुलर और प्लूरल दोनों में हम यू ही बोलते हैं, इसीलिए सेकेंड पर्सन मतलब जिससे हम बात कर रहे हैं, और यू कैन से द लिसनर, है ना? फर्स्ट पर्सन मीन्स स्पीकर, second person means listener, and third person means the thing, animal or place which is being talked about, जिसके बारे में बात हो रही है. उसमें सिंगुलर में हम यूज़ करते हैं he for male, she for female, and it for thing or animal, है ना? और प्लूरल में हम यूज़ करते हैं they. तो अभी ये जो सारे प्रोनाउंस है स्टूडेंट्स, वो आपको याद रखने हैं, एंड ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ दोस यू नीड टू फिल इट अप इन दीज ब्लैंक्स. ओके, सो शैल वी स्टार्ट नाउ? Okay, let's see. The first one. Jane saw a big grey wolf coming towards her. Dash looked very scary. Jane ने क्या देखा? A big grey wolf coming towards her. Now, scary कौन दिख रहा था? Who was looking scary? Big grey wolf. अभी big grey wolf हमें repeat नहीं करना है, तो हम उसके लिए क्या यूज़ करेंगे यहाँ पर? थर्ड पर्सन सिंगुलर, है ना, थर्ड पर्सन सिंगुलर, और वो भी एनिमल, तो उसके लिए यूज़ करेंगे इट, है ना. इट लुक्ड वेरी स्कैरी. लेट्स सी सेकेंड वन. ममा बेयर एंड आई वेंट टू द फॉरेस्ट टुडे. दे डैश वांटेड टू गैदर honey. Mama bear and I. Now students, here you can see कि फर्स्ट पर्सन और थर्ड पर्सन दो लोग इंक्लूडेड है. आई मतलब जो बात कर रहा है वो, है ना, मैं. एंड ममा बेयर, दैट मीन्स द फर्स्ट पर्सन एंड थर्ड पर्सन यू कैन कंसिडर. दे आर गोइंग टू द फॉरेस्ट एंड व्हाट दे वांटेड टू डू, दे वांटेड टू गैदर हनी. लेकिन यहाँ पे हम थर्ड पर्सन सिंगुलर की बात नहीं कर रहे हैं, हम लोग फर्स्ट पर्सन प्लूरल की बात कर रहे हैं, इसीलिए यहाँ हम लगाएंगे वी. वी वॉन्टेड टू गैदर हनी. क्यों वी यूज़ किया बच्चों हमने? क्योंकि इसके अंदर ऑलरेडी आई है जो फर्स्ट पर्सन सिंगुलर को रिप्रेजेंट करता है ना. मतलब यहाँ पर मैं तो हूँ ही, साथ में एक और पर्सन है, इसीलिए इसे हम फर्स्ट पर्सन प्लूरल कहेंगे. ठीक है, वी आर गोइंग टू कंसिडर इट एज फर्स्ट पर्सन प्लूरल, एंड दैट्स द रीज़न वी आर गोइंग टू यूज़ वी ओवर हियर. नाउ लेट्स सी द थर्ड वन. द लिटिल गर्ल लव्ड टू रीड फेरी टेल्स. शी रेड डैश एवरी डे. द लिटिल गर्ल लव्ड टू रीड फेरी टेल्स. लिटिल गर्ल को फेरी टेल्स रीड करना अच्छा लगता था. शी रेड डैश एवरी डे. क्या रीड कर रही थी वो? Fairy tales. It's the story, right? So here the pronoun we are going to use is it. Okay, she read it every day. Dash am going to the woods tomorrow to look for mushrooms. Dash am going to the woods tomorrow to look for mushrooms. तो यहाँ पे हम क्या यूज़ करेंगे? आई यूज़ करेंगे, क्योंकि एम जो होता है वो सिर्फ आई के साथ ही जाता है ना. एम जो बी वाला वर्ब है वो किसके साथ आता है? आई के साथ. सो हियर वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट फर्स्ट पर्सन सिंगुलर, एंड सो वी आर गोइंग टू यूज़ आई. ओके, नाउ लेट्स सी नेक्स्ट वन. Jane went to meet Goldilocks, but Dash was not in the house. Jane went to meet Goldilocks. Jane किससे मिलने गई? Goldilocks से. But Dash was not in the house. Now here हमें pronoun किसके लिए यूज़ करना है? Goldilocks के लिए. And Goldilocks is a girl. It's a name of girl, है ना? That means it is third person singular female. और female के लिए हम क्या यूज़ करते हैं? She. Jane went to meet Goldilocks, but she was not in the house. And let's see the last one. Baby Bear, do Dash know that girl with brown curls? Baby Bear, do Dash know that girl with brown curls? So here the second person is asked a question, and so we are going to use you. Baby Bear, do you know that girl with brown curls? Okay, so students, I hope that you are clear with all the exercises. I would be sending you the answers in the PDF, okay, but you can write this answer on your own, and you just have to write exercise B in your notebook. ठीक है, आपको सिर्फ एक्सरसाइज बी नोटबुक में लिखनी है. बाकी की जो एक्सरसाइज है, एक्सरसाइज ए, सी, डी एंड ई, ये सारी एक्सरसाइजेज आप अपनी टेक्स्ट बुक में ही लिखोगे. ठीक है, यू डू नॉट हैव टू कॉपी डाउन दोज एक्सरसाइजेज इन योर नोटबुक. ठीक है, सिर्फ एक्सरसाइज बी जो है क्वेश्चन आंसर्स है वो आपको सिर्फ नोटबुक में लिखना है। ठीक है स्टूडेंट्स, ओके, बाय ऑल ऑफ यू।